Theresa of Avila was born on March 28, 1515. Theresa was a Spanish mystic and reformer of the Carmelite order. Theresa was renowned for her writings on mysticism and her efforts to restore the order to its contemplative roots, thereby significantly impacting Catholic spirituality. On March 28, 1592, Jan Comenius, a Czech philosopher, educator, and bishop of the Unity of the Brethren, a Protestant denomination, was born. His birth marked the beginning of his influential work in educational reform, laying the foundations for modern education within Protestant circles. On March 28, 1742, American missionary David Brainerd wrote about his pursuit of holiness, a significant moment in his life that influenced evangelical movements in the United States. On March 28, 1895, Donald Grey Barnhouse, an American pastor and theologian, was born. His work contributed to evangelical theology through his radio ministry and writings. On March 28, 1661, the Scottish Parliament passed the Missionary Act, which restored the Anglican Episcopal system and abolished the presbytery. On March 28, 1834, a committee was formed to support William Lloyd Garrison, a leading abolitionist whose Christian beliefs drove his activism, highlighting the intersection of faith and social reform. Ephesians 4:32. Be kind and helpful to one another, tender-hearted, compassionate, understanding, forgiving one another readily and freely, just as God in Christ also forgave you. God bless you in Jesus Christ.